Hello, creative friends. This is Rebecca. Hey, I just wanted to pop on real quick with another quick demo. Again, using this Colop eMark Create. And I believe we can use it through stencils, kind of like you would with just a regular ink pad. So that's what I'm going to try today. I have already sent an imprint to the printer, and we will test that. And so what I did is I created a solid color background. And I'm getting a lot of extra ink here. I really need to clean my printer. But I created a solid colored background. It would not let me save just the background. So I did go in and put in one image of a small circle. And so this imprint is actually one circle on a pink background. But I have set it up for continual marking, and so that's what we have here. Is I think these circles will give a neat texture, and I'm going to see what happens if we try to print through a stencil. So this is from a previous project. This was actually cut with a Cricut, but you could hand cut this, and this is just a fairly medium weight cardstock. And so I'm going to see what happens whenever we print through the stencil. It would probably work better to tape this down so your stencil doesn't move on you. But I'm just going to drag this across over and over and use these stripes to fill in the image. And we'll see what happens. And I see some white spots, so I'm just going to go back and layer some ink over some of those white spots. Whoops, my paper moved. Let me see if I can get it lined back up where it was. That's close enough. And I think these stripes will add to the effect. So let's take a look at this reveal. Oh, that worked. Again, I think you could do all kinds of neat textures, and of course you could use any color background and any shape stencil, whether it's hand cut or let the Cricut cut it. I also have some of these stencils that I bought from Walmart, and this set came with four plastic stencils. So let me try one of these too. Oh, let's see. I think I want to try the one that has the lines. Let me see if I can get that open. This was a neat set because it comes with 4 distinct patterns that you could use for card making, so you can get your background and then overlay the roses on it. But anyway, we're going to see, I'll just do it this way, and we can get just a little bit here to test it. I'll get a clean sheet of paper. And I'm just going to use this same background with the circle. Let's see what happens. Again, you should probably tape the stencil down so it doesn't move. Mine's doing all the beeping because it's a single circle image that is doing continual printing. And then this is where it would make a lot more sense to tape this down. But let me just go ahead and show you what this looks like so far. So, yeah, that's kind of cool. I think you can get a really cool effect. Again, it does depend on the type of stencil you use. And then I believe this will wash right off with water. try this rose. Oh, that worked really well. And then of course you could come out and cut around this and stick that on a card. All right, well, thanks for watching me experiment. Please subscribe and come back again. Thanks for watching.